If you're looking for some unique artwork, go check out KALIZAR. Stunning and clean designs for your profile, custom made to your needs. Link to his profiles in the description below. Hey guys, Sabrina here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an artwork showcase with no programs such as Photoshop and After Effects. All you need for this is your browser of choice. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. So let's get straight into it. So first off, we're going to go to steam.design, which is in the description below. Most of you should already know how to use this site, but in case you don't, you just want to log in on the top right hand corner of the site and then select the background you want to use for your artwork showcase. I'm going to use this nice blue background. I believe it's called Cloud Built Day. It was in my top 5 Steam backgrounds video. Link to that is in the iCard. But anyways, so I'm just going to make it a square. So to make it a square, we want to click this customize cropping button and just click the enable long images on artwork showcase and just untick it. And then we want to download the zip. Once it's downloaded, we want to open it up, and then we want to extract the artwork_middle.png to wherever you like. I'm just going to extract mine to my desktop, and once we've done that, we can close out of steam.design. Then we're going to go to the second link in the description, which is the Giphy GIF maker, and I'm going to show you how to use this. So first, we're going to click choose photo or GIF, go to where you save the artwork_middle.png, and then click open. So to start off, we're going to edit the text. So we're going to click on this box here and then type your name or whatever you want your text to be. So mine's going to be Sabrina. We can go meme, pixel, fancy, subtitle, or gifabet. I want to go with pixel for this one. And then we can choose the animation type. So we can get sparkle, wavy, rainbow, climactic, all switcheroo, typing, and glitch. I think that most of these are pretty cool, but I'm going to go with wavy for this one because I feel like it goes with the pixel art aesthetic. And you can even change the colors up here, but I like white. Then in the second tab, we've got stickers. So this is a really neat tool because Giphy's got such a large library of animated GIFs that you can stick into your artwork showcase to just give it a bit more of a personal touch. So you can either search for your own stickers that you want. So I'm going to type in thinking emoji. And then I'm going to just click the one I want and it'll get inserted into your showcase. So you can also rotate and scale up the GIFs if you want to. But then also we can search by category. So if we click on this little category drop down, we can see that we've got lots of options to choose from, such as animated text, kawaii, emojis, effects, and all that fun stuff. So just for the meme, I'm going to click kawaii and mess around with some of these for a little while.
Asking about a feature, little boy, you better pay us straight up. No, I ain't look up to nobody. I ain't in the club cause I'm a homebody. Oh, I'm just smoking, watching Netflix. Gon' get you some money, boy, stop crying about your ex, bitch. Oh, yeah, and if it's meant to be, then let it happen. Ay, diamonds on me dancing, yeah, I feel like Michael Jackson. If you headed home from work, stuck at 5 o'clock, traffic.
Alright, so now that we've got all our stickers placed, we're going to move on to the filters tab. But the thing is with the filters tab that it will mess up your background image colors as well, which might not make it as smooth. So be careful when using your filters. And then there is also a draw tab, which will allow you to draw on your artwork showcase with a cool little animated drawing effect. Or you can just draw like a long cat for some reason. Anyway, so once you're happy with it, we click the continue to upload button. And then just type in some tags. So as always, I'm just going to type in meme and then press upload to Giphy. Once your GIF has been created, what we're going to do is move over to the download tab here. And then we are going to download the social option. Once it's downloaded, then we're going to go to a website called easygif.com/resize. Link to that will be in the description as well. And then we're going to choose our file we want to upload. So in my download folder, I've got giphy.gif. I'm going to press open and then click upload. Once it's uploaded, you'll see this. And in this little section down here, you want to type 506 by 506. And then you want to click resize image. And then you will see the resized image down below that. We are going to click the save option and it will download to our downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, you're ready to go to your Steam profile and make some changes. So first of all, we're going to click this artwork tab here. Click upload artwork, not game specific. Choose your artwork, and then we're going to go to easygif.com-resize.gif, press open, And then as always, I'm just going to type my smiley faces in for the name and description and click I certify that I created this artwork, and then click save and continue. Once it's uploaded, you'll see this screen, and then we just want to go back to our profile. Once we're back to our profile, we're going to click the edit profile button. We want to select the background that matches our artwork showcase. So mine was cloud built day. And then we want to go to our artwork showcase and select the most recent artwork showcase. Once we're done with that, we're going to click save changes, return to my profile, and then we'll see our changes have taken effect, and we have got an artwork showcase that was made without any programs except for Google Chrome. And this is fully customized, and there is a lot of potential to make some really cool artworks if you really try at it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I will see you guys all in the next video.